Hi dear aspirants, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is Prophet Ibrahim, facts and life of Prophet Ibrahim. His name in the Holy Bible is Ibrahim, book Suhuf, the first of the Hebrew patriarch. Revered by the three great monotheistic religions of the world, Judaism, Christianity and Islam. Born in 1996 BC, lived in the ancient city Ur, Chaldea, presently known as Babylon in Iraq. Lived for 175 years, or his age was 175 years. Tomb or eternal resting place is in Ibrahim Mosque, Hebron. His father's name was Azar. His father's name was Azar ibn Nahur. He was by profession idol sculptor. Mother's name Maria. Uncle Tara, wives 3, brothers 2. First wife was Bibi Sarah, mother of Prophet Isaac. Second wife, Bibi Hajra, daughter of King Qaboon of Egypt, mother of Prophet Ismail, referred as wife of a prophet and mother of a prophet. Prophet Ibrahim was 86 years old when Prophet Ismail was born. Ismail was born at the bank of river Farad in Iraq. Third wife was Bibi Katura. He was father of 4 prophets. His 4 sons became prophet. God himself witnessed for his prophethood. Contemporary prophet was Prophet Lut alayhi salam. Religion, Hanif religion or Hanfi religion, mentioned in 69 times in the Holy Quran in 25 surahs. There is one surah Ibrahim in the Holy Quran because it is concerned with the life of Ibrahim. On the direction of Allah Almighty, he was sacrificing his son at Mensa, who was only 13 years of age, but Allah replaced it with goat. Father and son Ismail started construction of the Holy Kaaba, Baitullah in Makkah. Title Khalilullah, or friend of God. He is referred as iconoclast. In this picture, he is destroying the idols. First said to perform Hajj, he ordered circumcision. Like his father, he was expert woodcutter. His famous miracle worthy that he was shown the kingdom of the heavens and the earth, and the miracle of the birds. He first preached to his father. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam tried to convince people that celestial bodies does not serve as deities and cannot be worshipped along with Allah Almighty. These celestial bodies are created, controlled, managed and directed by the Allah to serve the purpose of universe. Ibrahim convinced the deviated people about the beauty of Allah's creation, His power, wisdom and oneness, or Tawheed. As usual, the people adhere to the adultery or their previous religion. In order to change the conception and show powerlessness of these idols, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi decided to break these idols. Prophet Ibrahim broke all idols except one large idol, Hekat. This infuriated the people and they decided to kill him. The king Namrud and people threw him into fire, but the fire became cool at the command of Allah, God, and Ibrahim emerged safe from the fire. Fire becomes cool and peaceful for him. Upon this, people began to realize his truthfulness. Ibrahim was selected as prophet in Transylvania. He invited Namrud, the ruler of his time, and people of the region to monotheism. The popularity infuriated the king Namrud, who claimed himself as God, ordered him to leave his kingdom. Hazrat Ibrahim migrated to Palestine and then to Egypt. He kept invited people to worship Allah and follow his right path. According to the biblical book of Genesis, Abraham left Ur in Mesopotamia because God called him to found a new nation in an undesignated land that he later learned was Canaan. He obeyed unquestionably the commands of the God from whom he received repeated promises and a covenant that his seeds would inherit the land. In Judaism, the promised offspring is understood to be the Jewish people descended from Abraham's son Isaac, born of his wife Sarah. Similarly, in Christianity, the genealogy of Jesus is traced to Isaac. And Abraham's near sacrifice of Isaac is seen as a foreshadowing of Jesus' sacrifice on the cross. In Islam, it is Ismail, Ibrahim's first-born son, born of Hagar or Hajra, who is viewed as the fulfillment of God's promise, and the Prophet Muhammad is his descendant. Hazrat Ibrahim died at Iraq, tombed in Al-Khalil. Prophet Ibrahim al-Islam is buried in a village called Hebron, Al-Khalil, Palestine, along with his son Isaac al-Islam, his grandson Yaqub al-Islam, and Yusuf al-Islam. The graves of all these prophets are located under Masjid al-Khalil, also called Masjid Ibrahim. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and others. Be a good human. Thanks. See you in next lecture. Hope you will get knowledge from this lecture.